though. Oh, what do we got here? The disposable cookware. Teflon, huh? I used to get this every year for Christmas. 6 weeks later, we called it Teflon. It does not do good with metal spatulas. You found out the hard way, huh? No. She keeps doing it. Have you guys ever cooked an egg in this thing? And you forgot to add pepper to the egg, but somehow there was magically pepper there? I think we figured that one out, didn't we? Really? He says the brown Teflon that we used to use has cyanide poisoning. Well, have you Googled Teflon lately? Anybody read the articles about Teflon lately? DuPont, the company who makes Teflon, is under a class action lawsuit. Hopefully this stuff will be off the shelves this year or next. When you heat it up, it emits a poisonous gas. It has killed small birds. So if you do cook with this, open your window. It's not a good thing for your family. And then obviously it's a carcinogenic, carcinate. The Teflon is bad for you. Now the last field saving is aluminum and cast iron. Now you can get the aluminum with or without the Teflon. 95% of restaurants use this stuff right here, aluminum. It's very inexpensive and it heats up really fast, doesn't it? All right. You guys ready to go back in time? What grade are you in? 6th grade? You're going to go up in time. I'm bringing everybody to 7th grade. We're going to do an experiment right here, okay? I'm going to pour just a little bit of water in there. Now, they say to use tap water with cast iron, don't they? Timer. Okay. Time to turn the chicken. There we go. Oh. You didn't think I was supposed to flip it? No. You see, you guys, with my cookware, we don't have to turn the chicken. There's a thermal core inside there, okay? Cooks with the bottom up, top down, sides in. Now, if you forgot to turn the chicken at home, what does that mean? Burn on the bottom, raw on the top. You're definitely going out to the restaurant, huh? Okay, let me finish this experiment. Now, this is just a Scotchbrite pad. I cut mine up real small for the experiment. Now, when you first get your aluminum cookware, it's nice and shiny, isn't it? Then you start cooking with it. Then it turns that battleship gray color the more you cook with it, huh? Until you cook a certain type of food with it. You guys know what kind of food this is? What'd you say? You're right. Foods with high acid, like tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce, rhubarb, applesauce. It makes your pan nice and shiny after you cook with it. And you're thinking, awesome, I found a good way to clean my aluminum pans. But halfway through dinner, you're thinking, wait a minute, what happened to that black stuff that was in there? You served it to the family, didn't you? That can't be good for you. Do you know what they've attributed aluminum to? Alzheimer's. That's right. Lou Gehrig's, Parkinson's. Yeah. This is not good for us, is it? When I saw this experiment for the first time, we got rid of all of my aluminum cookware. We had some Teflon, we threw it all away. That's good. Well, Teflon, you can get it with or without or aluminum, you get it with or without the Teflon. Same thing underneath the Teflon as aluminum. Oh, who has a dog? When was the last time you guys saw an aluminum dog dish? You can't find them, can you? Veterinarians recommend you don't feed your dogs or pets or cats out of aluminum anymore. You can't find them, only stainless steel, glass, or plastic. What's the first thing a dog does after it gets done eating? It licks the bottom of the bowl. Gets this on his tongue. Causes throat cancer later on. Guys, it amazes me that we can go out to the store, we can buy a whole set of aluminum cookware for the family, but we can't feed our dogs out of this. There's something wrong there. This is banned in 11 European countries, or not just 11 European, but 11 countries around the world already, including Canada. All right. Cast iron. People like it. It heats up really evenly, huh? Cooks really good. When you first get it, you got to season it, right? Make sure nothing sticks. Don't wash it with soap. No, everything tastes like soap for 3 months. Now, after you got it all nice and seasoned, then you cook an egg in it. What happens? It sticks. And then, Mom, what? Yeah, you got to season it more or something. Yeah. And then Mom cooks fish in it. It sticks. That's where we got fish sticks from. Then you got your neighbor over for breakfast. It smells like fish, tastes like liver, and you wonder why. You guys wonder why it always tastes like Grandma's cooking? Probably because it is, huh? If that was aluminum, this is iron. Now, who agrees with me? What was your name again? Darlene. Who agrees with me and Darlene that iron is healthy for you? It is. Would you like your healthy dose of iron? No. Iron in a metallic form is toxic to our bodies. That's why we get it from our green leafy vegetables. Yeah. Now, if you don't wipe out your iron skillet and dry it, what happens? Oh, I thought it was shrunk. Oh, I must be wrong. You're right. It'll rust if you don't dry it out. Now, no matter how many times I clean this, and I clean this about 5 times a day, I guarantee that floor you're standing on is cleaner than this iron skillet. That's pretty nasty, huh? All right, I'm going to turn the heat off. We're going to do a quick 1-minute commercial, and then we'll eat. How does that sound? You guys, this is Lustre Craft cookware right here. We've been making the best for almost over 100 years. We know we have the best because we get awards for it almost every year, too. So, I said something about 7 layers of metals. We start out with 3 layers of aluminum. We like aluminum because it heats up really fast. Then we got 1 layer of T400 magnetic steel. Works on induction stoves. Acts as your cast iron. Distributes heat really well. And then we wrap that in 3 more layers of T304 surgical stainless steel. That's the same stuff we use in hospitals, huh? All right. Now, who's got Snap-on or Craftsman tools in the garage? Yeah, what's the warranty on those? Forever. What do you think the warranty is on something like this? Forever. We call it an heirloom warranty. It's not just a lifetime. You can pass this down to your kids and your grandkids, and they have the same warranty you do. It's pretty awesome, huh? Everything. You find a way to break a knob, bend the pan, they're going to replace it for free. If you... First owned by who? Always been called Lustre Craft. Lustre Craft and Kitchen Craft are one of the 2 original waterless cookware brands. 6 years or 60? Wow. What does it say on the front of your pan? Does it say West Bend? Our warranty is... And it's called low-key? Oh, low heat. I've heard of that. Yeah, that's been around for a long time, too. No. Sorry. Our warranty, guys, is stamped or laser etched right here on the front. Lustre Craft Cookware, West Bend, Wisconsin. That's where we've been making it for over 100 years. It's a long time. Absolutely. You find a way to break this pan, it's replaced. No questions asked. Just like your Craftsman or Snap-on. Yeah, you're covered. Everything here is dishwasher safe. Everything is also oven safe.